Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this training video, I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and use copy and content to filter out your timeline and only show you paid ads. So the first thing you want to do is click on the icon for copy and content. Right here it asks you what do you want to filter. I only want to see ads. Show me only ads. Click the play button, the run button. Let it go. Click refresh, let the software do what it does, and then go ahead in a minute, start scrolling down your timeline, and the only thing you should be looking at is sponsored ads. Why would I look at only sponsored ads? That way I get an idea of what people are typing in their content, for their headlines, for their text, and that way I get an idea of what I should be writing on my ads, the type of images and videos that I should be using on my ads, right? If you see that they're getting engagement and they're putting money behind their ads, then obviously it's working. Another sponsored ad. Yeah. Sponsored. Sponsored. So here you go. Oh, bear with me. Before finding out about Score Shield with Ray, I had used credit repair company that charged me a ton of money and ended up barely doing anything. So this is someone's ad that they're spending on credit repair. If this is working for them and they're spending money behind it, then I might as well use the same type of content, which this looks like it's a testimonial, and the same type of personal images, right? Here's another one for credit repair services. So again, these are the type of headings that they're using, the type of content that they're using, and if it's working for them, you might as well try it for yourself. Sponsored ad. Sponsored ad for credit repair again. If it's working for them, you might as well use it for yourself, right? So this is what I use this for, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. But again, this is how we filter out and only go after ads.